In this video, I'll show you how to install and use the snipping tool on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, click on the Start menu on your Windows 11 computer. In the search bar, type Snipping Tool. If the snipping tool appears in the results, simply click on it to open the app. If it is not installed on your PC, click on Microsoft Store from the Start menu. In the Microsoft Store search bar, type Snipping Tool and then select the app from the results. Now, click the Install or Get button to download and install it on your computer. Once the installation is complete, click Open to launch the snipping tool. Now, let's see how to use it. Inside the snipping tool, click the New button to take a screenshot. Your screen will dim and you can choose the area you want to capture. At the top, you'll see different snip modes: rectangular snip, capture a rectangular area; window snip, capture a specific window; full screen snip, capture the entire screen; freeform snip, draw any shape to capture. Select your preferred mode, then drag your mouse to capture the screenshot. After capturing, the screenshot will open in the snipping tool editor. Here you can draw or highlight using the pen tool, crop the image, save the screenshot, copy it to the clipboard, share it directly. To save the screenshot, click the save icon, choose a location on your PC, and then click save. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more helpful and easy tutorials.